f of x equals, let's not do anything too horrible. Let's do 2x minus 5. And I'm going to ask you for that. All right. So think about what we did last time. Think about where the inverse is written. What are you being asked to do? Are you being asked to put the inverse of f inside of f? No. What are you being asked to do? Something else. You're being asked to put f inside the inverse of f. Okay, so this is the bit that goes inside. So the first thing you should be doing is finding the inverse of f. Hopefully you find something interesting. If you don't find something interesting, you haven't done it right. Right. Have we all had a go? A couple of us are still finishing. Some of you seem like you're happy about the answer. Well done. I'm actually going to show you something else right before I do this, because I think that some people have figured out the answer. I'm going to show you something interesting. Right, what are all these things equal? These are all things, focus, these are all things multiplied by its own reciprocal. Don't they all cancel out? So isn't that what some of you just found? That if you put the inverse of a function inside itself, what you're really doing is canceling everything out. So you should end up with just x, right? Because like down the bottom, we had 1, but because our variable is x, watch what happens. So if I take the inverse, so I'm going to replace x with the original thing. So I've got negative 2x minus 5 plus 5 all over negative 2. Are you with me? Right, so this is the x plus 5 all over negative 2. This cancels out, so now I have negative 2x over negative 2, which is just x. So you can actually do a bit of a shortcut sometimes. If the question asks you for this, you should just know, oh, wait, I can just skip to the end. I know the answer is x. But sometimes on an exam, they will say, prove it, which means you actually do need to do this bit. All right, so if it says show that this is true, then go through the process and you should see everything cancel out, but you should also know that it will. So if it doesn't, you know you've made a mistake and you can go fix your work. All right, but anything multiplied by its own inverse, it's going to cancel out. That's how that all works. All right, today we're doing 22.8 and we're done with the chapter.